One more zoom around the country to say thank you to all your teachers.
Gilgay Public School, New South Wales, and we love you, Mrs. T. Oh, I like that.
That's
the best.
You. Rosebery District School, Mrs. Hinds. Oh, very excited. Hi, give us a big wave. St Mary's Primary School, Hampton. Hello, and Ms. Oh, I can't. Scott? Miss Scott. Coopernook Public School. Hello. Thank you, Mrs. G. St Joey's Peak Hill, Miss Hannes and Miss Tonkin with heart. Thank you. Islamic College of Brisbane with Mrs. Naza Khan. Geelong Public School, Mrs. Kayla. I hope I've got that right. Oh, Broadley Public School, Mrs. Frost. Hello, Mrs. Frost. Cleargate Public School, Mrs. Jackson. Clayfield College, Brisbane, Mrs. McFarlane. Hello, Mrs. McFarlane. And Lidson Farn Anglican Grammar School. Hello, Mrs. Leary's Year 1 class. Hi! Oh, you are so excited, aren't you? Hello, love your carpet. Look at that. St Mary's Dubbo. Hi, Dubbo. Year 6. Warwick Primary School in SA. Hi, guys. Oh, big thank you. Thanks so much. Teacher that's been helping them get through the year, or they might be at home and it might be the teacher that sent them all the best work and has been checking in with them. I know there's some amazing teachers out there and they've been working really hard, and we really appreciate all your hard work.